Hi, boys. Today for our math lesson, you are going to continue to learn what a coin is, identify a coin, learn the value of a coin, and then we're going to count coins. So what do we use coins for? If you said to buy things, you're right. Coins are money, and we can buy things with coins. So we're going to play a little game. I am going to describe a coin, and you have to guess what it is by pointing to it. So I am going to describe a coin that is very shiny, and it has Thomas Jefferson as the president on the coin. Do you know what coin that is? Good. If you said a nickel, you were right. This is a nickel. You can ask your mom and dad to see a nickel. Okay, the next coin I'm thinking of is the smallest coin, and it has Franklin D. Roosevelt on the coin. Fantastic. If you said a dime, you were right. This is a dime. The next coin, and this is a dime here. The next coin I'm thinking of is the biggest coin, and it has George Washington on it. Yes, a quarter. If you said a quarter, you got it right. And last but not least, this is copper, and it has Abraham Lincoln on it. Fantastic, a penny. Now, can you point to the penny that's worth 10 cents? Good job. If you said a dime. Can you point to a coin that's worth 25 cents? Awesome if you said a quarter. Can you point to the coin that is worth 1 cent? Awesome if you said a penny. And can you point to the last coin that's worth 5 cents? If you said a nickel, you are right. Now, how many quarters do you need to make $1? Now remember, $1 is 100 pennies. If you said 4, you're right, because let's count by 25. 25, 50, 75, 100. So you need 4 quarters. How many dimes? This is a hard one. Do you need to make $1, which is 100? Remember to count by tens to 100. Yes, you need 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You need 10 dimes. How many nickels do you need to make 100, $1? If you said 20, you're right. We have to count by what? Fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We needed 20. And last but not least, how many pennies do we need to make 100, $1? Yeah, 100, because it's 1 cent. Awesome job, guys. You guys are doing really good with your coins. Now we're going to play a little game. And you're going to help me add the coins in the piggy bank. Now there's a little trick. You always have to count using the biggest coin first. So which one is the biggest, the quarter or the penny? Which is worth more? Not just size. Yes, the quarter, it happens to be the biggest one, but it's worth the most, 25 cents. So you count the quarters first. So 25, 50, 51, 52. Good, 53. Is 53 on here? Good job. Which one is the worth more? Good, the nickel. And how many cents is the nickel? 5 cents. So start with the nickel. 5, 6, 7. Fantastic, boys. Okay, last one before you practice on your own. Which one is the worth the most? Which coin? It's the smallest, but it's in this group, but it's worth the most. Yes, a dime. So you start with a dime, and then which is next? The nickel, and then you count the pennies. So 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. Amazing, boys. Okay, you could continue with this activity. Bye.